the story of a superstar. Cristiano Ronaldo was born on February 5th, 1985, on the island of Madeira, Portugal. From a young age, he showed a huge passion for football. Through hard work and determination, he rose to play for some of the world's biggest clubs like Manchester United, Real Madrid, and Juventus. Known for his incredible speed, skill, and goal-scoring ability, Ronaldo has become one of the greatest football players in history. He has won the prestigious Ballon d'Or award multiple times. As captain of Portugal's national team, he led them to victory in the 2016 European Championship and the 2019 UEFA Nations League. Today, Ronaldo is a global icon, a symbol of hard work, dedication, and success, continuously inspiring millions around the world.